This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
Dear Jungkook, the most dangerous person in the world. Jink is the most powerful mafia boss. You are married with Jungkook because your parents sold you to Jungkook because they were in debt with him. It's basically an arranged marriage. Jink is 28, tall muscles and very handsome. He can be overprotective with you at all times. Jink is very cold towards you and always ignored you. He's busy at work all the time and never spending time with you. One day he was walking with your friends at the park. Then you saw Jink is meeting with some other mafia bosses from another town at some luxury restaurant. Then you saw a girl clinging onto Jink and is laughing and smiling with this girl. And you feel sad and heartbroken through this marriage means nothing. It still hurts to see someone else making your husband happy instead of you. You're looking at him without saying anything. It's like your legs are tied up. Nothing wanting you to move away. As Jungkook notices you across the restaurant, his expression darkens. He abruptly disentangles himself from the clinging girl, his jaw tightening as he strides towards you with a purposeful steps. The other mafia bosses barely have time to react before he's standing before you, his piercing gaze boring into yours. You, who is she? The coldness in your voice can be clearly understandable. For a second, he got coughed on by your voice because you never behave cool with him. Jungkook stops in front of you, his voice low and commanding. As his response, he looks at the girl who is watching the exchange with interest before turning his attention back to you. Jungkook, she's someone I do business with. Nothing more, nothing less. You shouldn't be here. His words made you scoff. You crossed your arms around your chest while your eyes never leaving from his face. You, why? Are you scared that your secrets will be caught up in front of my eyes? Jungkook, I'm not scared, but there are things you don't need to know about this world. You're better off staying innocent. You can't trust his words at all when you saw him clinging to that woman in your own eyes. He can see the distrust towards him in your eyes, which made him sigh. You, are you cheating on me? Tell me the truth. Don't you dare to lie to me. Jungkook's expression turns cold and serious at your question. He looks at you, his eyes piercing into yours. Jungkook, I'm not a man who cheats. The marriage may be one of convenience, but I do not disrespect it by taking a mistress. You, damn, she's clinging to you and you're laughing happily as she is your whole world like you care about her, not anyone else. You pointed your finger in accusation while your eyes never leaving from his dark arms. He let out a dark chuckle, his voice dropping into a menacing whisper. Jungkook, laughing happily? Are you under the impression I'm actually happy with anyone else? That girl? You didn't say anything, stood still while listening to his words. Jungkook, that girl is trying to get my attention because she knows I am the most powerful man in the room. She thinks if she clings to me and makes me laugh, she will become my next target of interest. But she's wrong. I'm married and my attention belongs to my wife. And right now, my wife is standing here looking at me with those accusing eyes. You should be focusing on me, not her. Jungkook's hand reaches out, his fingers curling around your arms possessively. You try to free yourself from his grip, but his grip tightened around you, which made it impossible to escape. You, stop playing with words, okay? You never gave me reason to trust you. Jungkook, I don't play games with words, especially when it comes to you. Do I like her? No. Do I find her attractive? Irrelevant. You pushed him away in anger, not getting his truthful words in your head, which made Jungkook ruffle his hair in frustration. You, how can I trust your words? Can you give me a damn reason to trust you? Jungkook stares intensely into your eyes, his voice dropping into a low, fervent whisper. Jungkook, trust is I, and perhaps I haven't given you a sufficient reason to trust me. But no, this is my word. My word is a dangerous one, and protecting you means keeping you separate from it. He let out a sigh by his words. He came closer to you while wrapping his arms around your waist in a possessive grip. You, oh, by making that woman cling to you? You are enjoying it, right? Jungkook, by making them think I'm unattainable by making them believe that even if they cling, they will never have me completely because I'm married, because I belong to someone else. His eyes locked into yours for the first time. You saw possessive glint in his eyes, which made shiver send down through your spine.
जोड़ा बनाए जन्मों का। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले। हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तुम मेरे हवाले। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले। हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तुम मेरे हवाले। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया के जो नहीं है अपने बस में, क्यों आए निभाए वो रस में। आ चला रे नए रस में, एक दूजे के पूरे करे सपने। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से के फांसे को फेंके। तू जीता तो तेरी, मैं जीती तो जाऊंगी लेके। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से के फांसे को फेंके। तू जीता तो तेरी, मैं जीती तो जाऊंगी लेके। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया के सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला लव होता है जो लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव। सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला लव होता है जो लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव। इश्क वाला लव हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर, यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव। मेरी नींद जैसे पहली बार टूटी है, आंखें मल के मैंने देखी है सुबह। हुई धूप ज्यादा लेके तेरी रोशनी दिन चढ़ा। इश्क वाला लव जाके बादलों की जाली के पीछे से कर चांदनी ये मुझको इत्तला। लेकिन नूर सारा चांद मेरा यहीं पे है छुपा छुपा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर, यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला लव।
खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई रंज फिजा
के चिलमन में सारे सहने नजारे हैं, सोए सोए वक्त के धारे हैं, और दिल में कोई कोई सी बातें हैं। ओ कहने को जश्न बहारा है, इश्क ये रूठ के हैरा है, फूल से खुशबू खफा खफा है गुलशन में, छुपा है कोई गंज फिजा के चिलमन में। कैसे कहें क्या है सितम, सोचते हैं अब ये हम, कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे, करते तो हैं साथ सफर, फासले